HTML open close, follow the script. Inside the script, create a variable called item equal to square bracket. This should be under the head section. Under the head section, follow the body as well. Inside the body, create a table keep align equal to center, cell binding equal to 0.5. Inside will be T head, T body, and T foot. T body and T foot. T foot. T head, T body, T foot. Now under the T head, we can write a heading, suppose TR, and here we can add the TH called item index, item index. Next TH item name. Next TH item price. Price. Next TH item quantity. Next TH call action. These all are under the T head. Okay, ready? Save the file. Normal heading will appear on the top. Heading appear. Now for the TR, you can write BG color. BG color as a pink color. Copy the same TR, paste under the T4. Change the BG color, orange color. BG color is a orange color. Notepad plus plus is going up down for me. Okay, look like it's stuck somewhere. So now for T put, we added and we change the BG color as a orange color. Under the T body, you give ID equal to item list. Under T body, dynamically, we are going to send the content from the JavaScript side. So header will be fixed. Footer will also be fixed. Header will be fixed always. Footer will be fixed always. The content will change into the middle section. That is called T body. If I run the page, it looks like this. Give some certain width to the table. Width equal to width equal to 80%. 80% of the screen. Okay, something like this. Now come before table, provide a heading. H1 multi dimensional array. We can keep align in the center. So it will come in the middle. Okay, ready? You got a heading on the top. Next, the data should come inside. Data will come from the array, from the JavaScript. Here is from item list. Go now. Inside this, okay, keep one more variable here. Variable one item equal to right there call name of the item. Apple price of the item. 300 rupees. Price QTY of the item. Quantity 5. And then, okay, name, price, quantity, 3 things is there. Let it be. Now come down. Write a function. Write a function. Okay, or instead of doing this you can cut from here. Okay. Here we can keep like this, directly square bracket. So it will become a multi-dimensional array. The first item we remove and keep these also only as a one item. Inside you will have multiple users, multiple items like this. One item, comma, 2, 3. Apple, orange, grapes, orange 100, grapes 130, quantity 5, 15, 51. So this is the items inside one array. Now you will write here a function called get item. Get item will be called here as a alert item dot length. Item dot length. This item dot length will come as a alert as of now on body load event. Call that function called get item. Okay, now replace the page. If you reload the page, get item will give the alert item dot length. Inside this item array, how many elements are there? All will come as alert. 3 are coming. Getting the length or error? Click again.
T body item list.
T
T body.
T body, yes, because table header. See this portion. This will be fixed always. Bottom also will be fixed. T body. Under the T body, we are going to bring the content from JavaScript. T body. T body will be dynamic area where the content will keep increase and decrease, and that content will come from JavaScript. For that, we are given the ID as a item list. So in that item list ID only we are going to push the content. That content will come from JavaScript side. Better.
Actually, actually, same.
I have done some wrong like that. Where you wrote name price 50y name price 50y name price 50y. On load you have to call here. See I call here no on load. Body tag. Those part is missing. Getting the length. Getting length. Next after that come we have to generate here the number of how many element we have inside the tr, that many tr we have to generate. So first come here in this function and create a variable data equal to empty. Use a map function item dot map item info comma index. We can go here and write the data equal to data plus open the tr. tr will be closed. Inside open the data equal to data plus open the td. Open the td. Inside the td give as a 1 and close the td. td index name, price, quantity and action. Name suppose apple, price suppose 300 rupees, 300, quantity 5 kg. Next after that action called delete. A button, click that delete. Close the button. Okay, next after this, come down. If you want to see how this tr is going to generate, keep /n. Keep /n everywhere. /n, /n. /n. Okay, once the loop will get over, alert that. You will find multiple tr will get generated inside, and all the tr will come in the new line. Tr will be equal to number of elements inside the array. Suppose inside array five array are there, 5 elements are there. So this loop will run 5 times. First tr complete A to Z it will create and pass to data variable. Again, second tr also will get create and pass to data variable. Third time also one tr will create and it will pass to the data variable. Finally, at last, the data variable will give us list of tr. Multiple tr will come in there. Okay, so today, next after that, see table 1 tr, 2 tr, 3 tr. So total once we run the loop, 3 tr got ready. Now this 3 tr we have to send to the HTML as a inner HTML. Document dot get element by ID document dot get element by ID. Which ID? That is called here item list. Under the item list dot inner HTML equal to DATA. Okay, hope ready. Check now, refresh the page. After alert, 3 row will appear here, not happen. Why?
Sir, this item dot element get element by
Get element by
you.
by get element by ID item list. Not happen again. I may have done some mistake.
Sir, element by element, not by. Yes.
Empty element by ID. So these products are coming from there.
You want to
Because we have not given the dynamic, we are given just a static here. See what we are given. Everywhere we are given the same values. No?
yes.
Same value. Check now. First static array is coming or not. Static data is displaying, then we can keep it dynamic. Getting a static data. Yes, no, anyone? Are you getting the list? Okay, now first remove that. One you have to remove from here. And replace the one with plus I index. So there should come as a 0, 1, 2, 3 should come. It should not come always. It should not come always as a 0, 0, 0. Next here, instead of Apple, you have to do the plus plus and keep inside call info.name, info.name, info.name. This one, name, price, quantity. This three variable we are going to print. These three we are going to print name, price, and then quantity. Below price also you keep here plus plus info dot price. Here again plus plus info dot QTY. This will become now dynamic.
This data will be commented.
We can keep in center. We can keep a line center. It will be needed. For TR, you can write a line center. Getting in the center now. Okay, all will come in center.
Double quotes we give, it's not.
Double quote, how you can give? Already you are in double quote, no?
Yes, sir.
In double quote again, you cannot give double quote. Inside double quote, you have to give single quote only.
T headed, T.
Quote will be same. Only the content will change under the T body.
Sir, it's not JavaScript. It's not.
Which
Code
one is
will
not?
write.
Hmm?
Not write the code in JavaScript.
JavaScript. JavaScript, what is JavaScript?
They will give a body part. Sir. You will write the JavaScript.
T body.
Yes.
See, here you are generating the TR, and this all the TR we are sending to this T body. Here we generated the TR. All the TR using the inner HTML you are sending to item list. Where? Under the T body. Under T body also we have to write the TR only. But if you write manually TR, it will become a static. So for T body, we given an ID as an item list. And for that item list, we are sending the data from JavaScript. JavaScript is getting the data from array. JavaScript is getting the data from array. And after that, inside array, whichever the object we have, name, price, quantity, all we read here and created the TR. And this TR we send to directly where? Item list. Then when this function we are calling, this function we are calling onload. As soon as the page will refresh, this function will get called automatically. Okay, now come there. I will remove this comment, and then once you run the page, silently it will come and it will display the data without any errors. Data has come back. In T body, if someone will look into the T body, he cannot find anything. In T body, there is nothing. But once the page execute, T body will get the data dynamically. Working. Now next target is we need to add the new element inside dynamically. New element, how to add inside. So suppose 3 we have already, apple, orange, grapes. We want to add some more. Okay, we want to add some more. So how to add that? Next we are going to then we can create a form here to take the new value and click on save button. It should get added here. You have to write another table maybe. Create one more table. In that table, syntax self-adding element. Create a TR, write the TD inside, input type equal to text. We need to add some new element inside the array. ID equal to new item, new price, new QTY, new item, new price, new QTY. Check now. One text box, three text box is coming.
Yes.
It should be in the center. If you keep in table align, CENT, CEN,
Enter.
C was missing.
Yes.
CENTER. It should come in center now. Now we can add here. In each text box, we can add here call BR. We can add here call name, NAME, next BR, price, next BR, QTY, or quantity, you can write QUAN, quantity, next BR, next TD, there will be a button called save item. Save item. One click of that. Call the function for save. You got it? Table. Okay, so this is coming down little. Button Y went down. Okay, in the button block also, I think we have to add one. Okay, but no matter. You can keep a BR here. It will also come in the same line. Oh, it went more down. You can keep he align top. TR level. TR level. He ALIN. D align equal to top. Vertical align top. G align top. Okay, something like this. V align top, that meaning vertical align top. Button also will come in the same line. Name, price, quantity, click on save, it will get added here. That is called as a, this become a new item, new price, new quantity. Click on save button. We should call the save function also. So let's keep it ready. Which part? Keep ready that table, first table, adding the data, then we can work on second level. Okay, ready? Now write a function called save. Function you have to write, function called save. Save function. You can keep a alert here or take the value of variable new item equal to document dot get element by id new item dot value document dot get element by id new item dot value will come to the new item, and we can keep a alert here new item. Enter the value in text box, do the button click, verify once is it coming or not. Okay, hope ready. Come now, enter the value under the first text box, maybe anything, click on save button, alert not come. Alert is supposed to come. Okay, on click equal to, I call the save here, DOCUMO. Get element, get what I'm writing here. Get element by ID, correct? Document dot get element by ID, new item dot value. Document dot get element by ID, new item dot value. The value of this text box will go to the new item, and then I did a alert. Now come there, enter some value. Right? Getting alert? After entering the value under the first text box, you are getting alert. Similar way, we have to take the value of all text box and we need to push inside the array. So let's go here. New item is coming. Similar way, new price, new quantity. New item, new price, new QTY, new price, new QTY, new item, new price, new QTY. Okay, hope ready. Now let us print all together. Alert, new name, new item, plus new price, plus new QTY. Enter value in text box and check all three are coming together. Enter value in the text box and check all three values are coming together in alert.
It should not be the same.
Yeah, all will come in same line as an alert. See, it look like this. If I enter A, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Alert should come 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now you will go here under the code. And from array you can copy last line. Copy the last array, last element. Copy the last element and paste here. Instead of grapes, you will add here call new item. Instead of 130, you will add here new price. Instead of QTY, you will add here new QTY. Okay, and store in a variable item info. Item info equal to item info. You are creating a new complete array object, and after that, this new array object, this name, price, quantity, name, price, quantity, new name, new item, new price, new QTY. Correct. This all the value we need to send to the now come down below. What is our array? So let's go here, say, do here alert. Alert this item info. Alert the item info. All the item details will come together. See, if I enter 1, 2, and 3. See, it's coming as a object. This one we need to push inside the existing array, that is called item. Item dot, you can use concat. Whose I'm trying to see happening on it. Let call the get item. Item info is a complete one array object. We are pushing under the item. We need to check whether it will happen or not. One, two, three. See, 1 to 3 is added. 1 to 3 in the last. Add here banana and price is at 40 rupees and quantity 5 kg. Save. Banana will get added here. Please check now. It's getting added. Are you able to add the item? Have it 80% actually. Okay. Okay, so you check now. Is adding where? In the beginning or last? Now next is to delete. How to delete from here? Anyone tried? One. Let us come. How to delete that? We'll write here a function called del item. Inside del item, you need an index. Whichever the item you want to delete, you have to get that index. Keep an alert here first. And the index. Del item index. After index, you can write here item dot splice. Splice function will delete the element from the array. We have to give first the index and second we have to give 1.
So why we should use one?
1 for delete, 0 for add. 1 for delete, 0 for okay, operative come up now. You have written here a delete function. Delete button you have written. In that delete button, you require to call now this function. In the delete button, we require to call this on click equal to call the del item. And in del item, you have to pass the value of index 0, 1, 2, 3. So for that, plus plus is required here, concatenation and index. Index we have to keep now inside. Plus plus index we have to add. Then only you can pass that value. Okay. Now come inside. See, we can click here. 0, 1, 2, 3 should come as a alert. Index will come as a alert. See that? Index is coming as a alert. It's here. And now what is happening here? The del function is called. Inside del function, you have to pass a variable. That variable is called index. But this del function is already inside the double quote.
Yes.
Inside double quote, if we pass index variable, this index variable, it will consider as a string. So what we have to do, we have to terminate the string here. Okay, and again we have to start the string here, and in between we have to concat the variable, and variable will give 0, 1, 2, 3. That 0, 1, 2, 3 will come to this function, del function, and del function will do the splice. After doing splice, after removing the element, again we have to call this item list function here. We have to call the item list function. Item list function to reload the list. This is for what purpose? To reload the list. To reload the list. Get ready. Check now. Check now. Delete is happening. Then delete apple. Apple will go. Apple is on. And delete orange. Orange is gone. Delete grapes. Grapes will go. If you refresh the page, all will come again. Delete is happening but temporary.
Sir,
Delete is happening temporary. If you refresh the page, all will come back again. Where it is here. It is here. Check now. Delete is happening. Add a new element. Check that. Delete the element and check that. All should work.
Sir, why we are using compulsory get dot item?
To reload the list. Comment that line and then check. After deleting, it is coming. If you not write that line, we'll share the function, use this function. Save function will work. This is for the saving purpose. This is for the
It's not one.
for home. It's working. Yeah, item is getting delete. If list will reload, then only will come to know no delete happen or not. List is happening. Sorry, delete will happen. It will not call what I've written here to reload the list. After deleting, if will not reload the list, you will not come to know the item deleted or not. So reload is compulsory. Do the reload. Then only it will reflect in the browser. I send you both the function Karthik, save item as well as delete item. And along with that, one TD also I'll send you. That is for this one. Delete function. Delete function. TD is for the delete function also sent, save also sent. You can send your file in chat. I will guide you the problem. Complete file you can share in the chat. I will open the file and then we guide you where is the problem. The error is okay. The problem is what? Problem is here. Your array is pointing to new item, correct? Your array is pointing to the new item, one item. You are reading also from one item, correct? But when you are saving the item, you are sending to the item only. It should be one item. One item dot push, and here also should be one item dot splice. You can change this both the places. Array name is different. change both array name is different. Okay. We'll see tomorrow again some more array object example. This kind of example we should be able to do. Okay. Array, playing with array is compulsory part. Okay, and see you tomorrow.